We are so back, girls. I can't find anything in my house right now. You're just gonna sit in a pile of laundry. This is a humidifier, by the way. I'm looking for my pants. I know, oh, here they are. I knew that I washed them. Oh my God, they're stuck in this drawer. Got 'em. I'm getting ready to go set up for Jace's event today. I don't know why I'm feeling anxious, like I'm sweating. Why? It's not even my event. There's just so much to do. So much to do. Me and my mom and Sunny are going. We have to go to Costco and get the food for the band members, like in the green room. Maybe some perfume, like give myself a vibe for the day. I love this brand, Future Society. Their whole like thing is really cool. I forget why, but they did something. They like found all these old scents that were kind of like going out or something, or like these flowers that were like going extinct. I don't remember, but anyways, they're a cool brand. Super interesting concept. So when I left off the vlog, I was in the closet. We'll get there. I gotta go make sure Sunny has everything she needs. We're gonna be gone like most of the days. Okay, what am I doing here? This one is gonna be snowman, reindeer, no. This will be for my mom, hers is last. Snowman, reindeer, light bulbs. All right, we'll do foot first because that's easiest. So foot is gonna be snowman. Whee!
Whee!
Does that tickle, Angel? All right, baby, put your foot straight. Okay, 1, 2. That'll do it. Let me get a little bit more right here. Ooh, good job.
Good job, baby.
Perfect. Oh, you did such a good job.
Perfect. Yay.
Finger. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Look at my angel's art. How cute. A little reindeer. This is her foot as a snowman. This is as best we could do for these lights. This one was really hard. This is what we're working with today. I feel like I have crumbs on my face from just eating a piece of toast. I tried to make a bagel. I bought bagels at Costco and was like, I'm gonna eat bagels this week. No, I'm not, because there's already mold on them. I'm on week 2. No, wait. Is it week 3? Yeah, we're on week 3 of rebranding my life before the new year starts. Week 1 I didn't film. Week 2 is up on TikTok and Instagram. And I'm gonna show you where we're at for week 3. Week 3 is like, there's a lot of fun stuff, but it's also the deep clean week, which is not fun. Like, I need to clean my bathroom. I don't even know what's going on over here. Everything's a mess. We have like these IKEA dressers. They're like the Malm or whatever. That's what they look like in the front. Look at this. It just completely like... Ultimately, I would like to do built-ins in the closet. Anyways, Jace is supposed to try and fix this today, and then I can move this into the closet, and then I can kind of like organize some stuff on top of it. So the closet's not even 100% done, which was technically a week 2 thing, but it's really close. So... Everywhere I look is a mess. The problem is we can't lift this mattress up. It is so heavy. It takes like 4 people to lift this mattress, and I can't put together the bed until we get someone else to come help lift the mattress up. I'm gonna clean the bathroom. Why don't we start there? Look what I found. I packed these from the other house, and I left the candy in it. It's banana. I'm on the floor in the closet. Today's kind of like my rot day, which is why I look like this. Haven't even looked in the mirror today. I'm starting the deep cleaning process and like doing laundry. The last thing that I have to do in the closet is fold some stuff that needs to go in like the drawers once Jace fixes them. I kept this Swinger shirt. This was my friend Shelby's shirt when she worked at Swingers for like, did she even work there or did she only train? If you live in LA or you've been, you know Swingers is like the place to go. Your late night after being out all night. When we were like 20 and had fake IDs and were like running around the town at night, and then once you're done going out, you go to Swingers and get food. They have the best barbecue sauce I've ever had. Anyways, I guess I could keep that for the lore. When I tell you I got rid of everything, the amount of hangers we have, look at this. That's just like some of the hangers that we have free now, and before when we would do laundry it'd be like, we have no hangers, we need more, because we had so much stuff. I gave away everything. Anything that was probably not gonna fit me again, anything that I wasn't gonna wear or like hadn't worn. When I'm telling you, I went through and was grabbing stuff, it all had tags on it still. I had like, this is sickening, I had so many Skims outfits that I purchased and never wore. Why'd I do that? I'd be like, oh, this would be a cute like photo shoot thing to wear, and then I would never wear it, and that's just like sickening to me to think of. So many cute things like that Revolve would send me, either they didn't fit or I didn't like, I don't even know. I feel like once I got pregnant nothing was fitting anymore, but I just took them all. This girl in town that I just met through friends, she has a vintage pop-up that she does called Cold Vintage. I mean, the stuff I gave her is not vintage, but is it sturdy? Yeah. The stuff I gave her is not vintage really, but she does like secondhand kind of stuff and does boxes for people. So I dropped off like 4 huge boxes of clothes and shoes with like tags still on and everything, like crazy. None of my shoes fit me after having a baby. I've kept like a few that I'm gonna try on and see if they fit me, but like my Doc Martens, all of them gone, don't fit. I did keep my first ever pair of Doc Martens to give to Sunny someday. This is a Skims outfit I took my pregnancy announcement pictures in, or the video, and I kind of want to recreate it. Why'd I keep this? Do you remember this Skims bra that came out and was like, has the fake nipples in it? I thought this was so funny. I bought it. I've never worn this. It still has a tag on it. But I bought it and was like, you know what? Someday this could be one of those things that we look back on in like 20 or 30 years and are like, do you remember like in the 2000s when this came out? And then Sunny will be like, yeah, my mom actually had one of those, and then she'll have it. This is the kind of stuff I think about now. Since having a baby, I'm like, when she's older, what is she gonna think is cool? So I'm just like preparing for every single scenario. Because like realistically, what am I ever gonna wear that bra? I probably won't. So it'll just be something Sunny will have in the future to show her friends and be like, look at my mom's old stuff. I kind of feel that way too because my parents didn't save any of their old stuff, and I feel like if my mom would have saved her wardrobe, that would have been really cool to go through and like see what she used to wear. All right, we're pretty much done folding over here. I'm done in here. Let me show you. These are all my pants that I kept. None of these fit me right now, not even a chance. But this is the goal of like, hey, these are the options that could fit me again if I can lose some baby weight. Jace's side of the closet is not organized, so I'm not showing you that. But my side is looking gorgeous, besides all the extra hangers. And then I put my perfumes here. Bathroom is cleaned. Everything has been scrubbed. This doesn't need to be in here. Ozzy, are you just rotting in my filthy bed? Yes. Yes. Did you just have your teeth cleaned? Expensive boy? So right now I'm going to Home Depot to get paint for the office, paint to finish Sunny's bedroom. I ran out of the trim color. And then also, I'm gonna make like a life-size IRL mood board for the office, so I need to get stuff for that. I'm also washing this car because when we got this car before Sunny was born, our deal between Jace and I was like, hey, we're not gonna eat in this car and we're not gonna make it a mess. And Jace has not followed through. He's left 7-Eleven wrappers. He leaves, like, look at this. He's like a leprechaun. There's a french fry in there and a bunch of coins. He keeps change everywhere he goes. He's dropping pennies. It's so annoying. It's a disaster in here and it's really frustrating. I'm just like receipt city. So we're gonna go clean the car and then I'm going to Home Depot. I also have to go to the post office because something said it was delivered to my parcel locker, and it's not in there, and there's no key, and it says it's delivered, so I have to go to the post office and figure out what's going on there. The post office out here, I don't know if this is how it is everywhere, but the post office out here, they just seem to like hate that they work at the post office and they never want to help, so that should be fun. Anyways, it's almost Christmas. I always feel anxious going through these, like, claustrophobic. And I don't like man-made, like, big machinery, so these things really freak me out too. It's just part of my lore, having many mental illnesses. It looks pretty though. Something tragic has happened. I'm wearing a trench coat because I had to take pictures as Cindy Lou Who for our preset. Yes, I just have this trench coat in my closet. Let me get something else, hold on. You can't see, but I have about 600 bobby pins in my hair right now because I tried to do these Cindy Lou Who braids. You can't even tell that's a braid. It literally just looks like I have flyaways. And tell you about something crazy that happened. The norovirus has made it to my circle, and I'm terrified. I was just telling our friend yesterday, I am terrified of throwing up. It's like my biggest fear, like a phobia of throwing up, and I'm like insane about it. I also have like diagnosed and medicated OCD. I was just telling him the other day, I'm terrified of throwing up. Like, I'll go crazy. If I know somebody around me is sick, I'll be like, not chill vibes about it. And he texted me this morning, I was with him last night, and he texted me this morning and said his daughter is sick. That's the tragedy. Look at it when I take the extensions out, how sad my little bun looks. Did that make it look better or no? Who cares? Anyways, I was in Home Depot, I got some stuff, but I was feeling like I was gonna pass out because when my friend texted me this morning and said his daughter was sick, I'm like, I'm not eating today. Because if I don't eat, then I can't throw up. Which I know like isn't even true, but that's how my smooth brain works. I have now, but that was earlier. I was like, I'm not eating anything. So I'm in Home Depot and I'm like, I'm gonna pass out because I didn't eat anything. I got home from Home Depot. I didn't get all the stuff I wanted because I was like, I'm gonna pass out, I didn't get out of here. But I did get another paint sample for the office. So I'm gonna go back probably tomorrow or the next day. Let's go look at the paint. Hopefully it's dry. In between these two. Kind of like that one. Anyway, there's still so much to do. Bed's still on the floor. My dad's actually coming in town, and I will put him to work. He always likes to do stuff while he's here. There's so much to do. I made like another list. I have a list of things I want to do for like my rebrand vibes. They don't look. And then I made another list. I have a list for my list. Made another list of what we need to do before Jace's parents get into town. I'm also helping my friends do some like branding stuff. So I have to mood board for that. Pretty much the vibe. I can't stop looking at how bad I think my hair looks in the camera. Oh, I just took pictures for the new preset coming out, Cindy. Cindy's coming out on the 23rd. She's a free preset, so you don't have to have a subscription to use her. And she has a nice grain. We've got a lot of requests for like a free preset that has good grain. That's Cindy. I hope you enjoy her. I worked very hard on it, as I do all the things that go into the app. We are gonna have another preset coming out for New Year's, and I think that one's really cool. I think it's gonna look really cool on like the New Year's party photos like you take with Flash. I'm excited for that one. I haven't taken photos for that one yet. Another feature that we just had come out was being able to favorite your presets in the app. This is something that like was in our original design. Like when I designed how the app was gonna look, that feature was in all of the designs, but it was just something that we couldn't get to before launching. This stuff takes so long to make it like actually look good and work good. It's insane. Oh, I'm gonna show you because I think it's so cutie. So like at the bottom here, there's now a little heart. My friend's making fun of me for only eating toast today. There's a little heart down here. So like some people don't know this, but when you click on a preset down here, you can tap into it again and it'll open up so you can like, you know, the grain or the filter, whatever it is. This filter has grain and texture, so it's like a red scan over it. Anyways, now there's a heart, so you can click it. It has a little haptic feedback, which is so cutie. And then up at the top of your presets, you have you have categories up here of the presets, and if you click favorites, then all of your favorite ones, and they'll have like a cute little heart on them. Zach did such a good job on this feature. It might seem like a basic or like more boring feature, but it actually adds so much value to the experience of trying to use the app and have all your things, like your favorite things in one spot. And we're always trying to make sure that that's how it feels to use the app. And then when you're on like your feed right here, what is this called? When you're in the editor view right here and you have your presets down at the bottom, all of your favorites will have a little pink heart on them. Do you die? I love it. I just love that they have little hearts on them. It's so cute. That's what's going on at Trashy. Next year, we just had our meeting, me and Zach, it's just us two. We just had our 2025 meeting and like our plans for like what we're releasing, and we have so much going on. We are literally always doing the most for just us two, building an app, marketing an app, creating content for the app, designing the app, like everything just being us two is insane actually. And it's insane to see what we've come out with just since July, since we launched, knowing that it's just us two and not even us two full time, because I have other stuff going on, he has another job. It's like, that's crazy when you think about it, of what we have accomplished. I'm really proud of us. Anyway, I was also going through old photos yesterday because I was trying to put presets on like older photos and see like what they look like, and I came across this absolutely insane photo of me being so tiny. Will my stomach ever look like that again? As I sit here with like these lines on my neck right now. Have I always had these? Hold on, let me look in these old pictures. I've just discovered I have necklines. Oh yeah, I had it in this picture too. I just love to look at myself and pick myself apart. I can't tell if I had necklines in these photos actually. The other day I like randomly noticed, I'm like, is this from like looking down at my phone or something, or my computer? And I googled like necklines and it was like, no, it's genetic. But I'm like, hello, have I always had that? I guess I did. I also have body dysmorphia, so it's like I don't even know what I look like, to be honest. Do I need to bring my extensions back? Is that like part of me not feeling like myself, or will I still have a puffy looking face with extensions? We're just chatting like we're on FaceTime, okay? I know a lot of these things I shouldn't probably say in my blog, like saying I have a puffy face, but that's like how I feel right now. That's enough talking crap about myself for this vlog.